Namaste. We are all aware of the unprecedented challenges and difficulties our world is facing due to the coronavirus pandemic. In fact, it has adversely affected the people who are less fortunate than us in different ways. Some of them do not even have the means for a proper meal and they end up in starvation. I'm Prema Nair from South Africa, one of the sponsors of Empower Foundation. We, the Empower Foundation, strive to educate, financially support and empower girls from low-income groups in Kerala. Due to the current pandemic, many of our young girls are faced with many challenges. The sole breadwinners of these families have lost their daily wages, which has been the only source of income, and this has pushed them to the brink of poverty. In order to support them, the Empower Foundation has joined forces with the Community Food Bank of New Jersey to set up an online fundraiser event. The Community Food Bank of New Jersey provides free food for the children and their families. We are indeed privileged and grateful that our own Manambadi of Kerala, Dr. K.S. Chitra, will be joining us in the online fundraiser musical event. So, come and enjoy this captivating online concert from the comfort of your own home on Saturday, the 9th of May at 11 a.m. US time and 8:30 p.m. IST. You can also watch this on www.ourshakti.charity or on our Facebook page of Empower Foundation. The donation link is open now, so please access it on our Facebook page of Empower Foundation. Please note that all our proceeds will be shared between the Community Food Bank of New Jersey and the Empower Foundation. Indeed, your small act of kindness can wipe the tears and bring back joy to their faces. We appeal to you, please donate generously. Let us do it together to ensure that no child sleeps with an empty stomach. We appreciate your generous contribution. Thank you.